I tell you, it is, I'll take these off. It is such a privilege for me to teach this. It really, really is. The energies that go through sometimes are just, I don't even know how to describe them, but ecstatic is a pretty good word. And it kind of makes me want to live forever, just so that I can keep learning it, you know, because it kind of goes on forever. And obviously the teachers who are teaching it just know it in just so many different levels that I can't even comprehend. But like that meditation for me was just ecstatic. I mean, through teaching it, I feel amazing. I have to say, the couple of days afterwards, I'm completely wasted and feel terrible. But actually teaching it is just such a privilege. I feel so lucky to be able to do that, or be chosen to do that, or whatever it is that happens to enable me, or for me to get into this position to be doing this. Because it is beyond something I can do on my own. It's interesting how I started teaching the feet in the last one of these, because I think working with the feet in that way is completely, I know it connects to all of the circuits, but I think it's particularly poignant for these blue energies and the breathing of the kidneys, because it so synchronizes with the kidneys, it so gets people into the lower back of their body below the kidneys, so the kidneys are above you, kind of breathing in a way. So I think even though it seemed like chants, and chants that I needed to put in an extra webinar where we more focused on the feet, I think it is, for this particular circuit, it is really important for that breathing motion. Just letting some energy go through my head. The energies say they like working with me as well. They're happy. I'm ecstatic and on the verge of insanity. Anyway, if you want to go insane, just follow me. We will go deeper into that. I feel to ground that more into the bladder, the vagina and urethra. You know, it was really, I don't know about for other people, but it's a really strong, good connection through the brain and to the higher self. Really nice to let that circuit talk with Mother Earth for a while. Really get a good, and when you get the bladder, the vagina, urethra, the penis properly going and energized, not only does it give you this earth plug, it gives you this just limitless source of rich nourishment and kundalini rising from that area. I know I feel tired, but the message is that once that is going, you won't ever feel tired again. You have a surplus of energy once that channel is cleared, and you get that healing energy, because it is rising through the adrenals. So the adrenals don't get wasted. The kidneys and adrenals are a lot to do with why we get tired, but when the karma is cleared through the vagina, penis and urethra, then gives you this unlimited, bountiful energy that's continually feeding the bladder. Well, the bladder is part of it, it's the center of it, but then supporting the kidneys and adrenals. And a lot of the adrenal energy, people, focus on the lungs or they focus on the heart, but a lot of the problems, like with asthma and things with the heart, coming from the adrenals and the nervous system. So it clears up a lot of things on different levels. So I think we're just going to start in that meditation. I can feel myself already. I never thought I would be doing this job. I never thought I would be sitting in a Zoom conference talking to spirits and talking. I just didn't see my forte. I used to have this lady, she was the principal of the spiritualist church. She was the main medium, and she used to come to my Tai Chi class with this tremendous energy poured through, and she just kept on saying to me, you're a clairvoyant, you're just blocking it. And there's starting to be more of me as clairvoyant and then nothing of anything else. I'll be so clairvoyant in these soon, I won't even be here. All right, let's do that before I make a fool out of myself or something.